It's naked, kind of on the sides. Oh my god, I almost lost my hand. Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
And we just filmed a new episode of my podcast together, Ridiculous. I'm gonna put a link down below. Justine was the guest. It was so much fun. And now for today's video, we are gonna pretend to be different YouTubers. Two tubers who I absolutely love and adore. And Justine, these are two tubers where we actually hosted their podcast. We filled in for them way back in the day.
Rhett and Link?
Yes!
No way! Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so fun.
So the reason I wanted to be them for a day is because they do this game, International Taste Test, and it looks so much fun. And I was like, we have to do it. So we have recreated it here. And for us to fully get in character, Justine, I got us something.
Okay.
Okay, so since you're taller.
All right.
Okay, so you're gonna be Rhett. And I'm gonna be Link. You look great.
I feel great.
So we're gonna try a bunch of cakes from around the world, and then we're gonna guess where they're from. And we're gonna do it by throwing darts at this map. And then whoever's closest
Right.
will win.
Okay.
And they're playing for points. The lowest score at the end wins, kind of like golf.
Okay.
I think because you look great, you should go first. Okay, now let's get right into round one. Okay, the first cake, these look kind of small.
It looks like a brownie.
Yeah, with coconut flakes.
Oh, okay, so it's like,
Oh,
okay, it smells chocolatey.
yeah, okay, so it's just like a white cake dipped in chocolate with some coconut?
I don't really like coconut.
What?
Yeah.
We've been friends for a million years and I did not know that you don't like coconut.
Like, I'll eat it, but like, it's not my favorite. I have no idea where this is from.
This tastes delicious. Me neither. I don't know. Coconut and chocolate and Justine portion size. This is maybe from a country that has good portions. Like, look at how cute this cake is.
Super cute.
The first couple ones are easier, so we know that they're on the map.
Okay.
So that kind of narrows it down a little bit. You know what? I'm going with Jamaica. I'm gonna try to hit Jamaica here because coconuts, I'm thinking tropical, delish. Let's go for it. Here we go. 1, 2.
I was gonna say Jamaica. This is gonna be a problem.
I hit Brazil.
This actually does feel a little Brazilian. I'm not sure. Okay.
Yeah, this could be, you know.
So I'm gonna just say, I don't really know a lot about Chad, but like, I don't know. I was very close to Chad though.
Oh, you're in Nigeria.
Okay.
Okay.
I just thought, you know, we'll just hit something on the map. And I don't want to pick the same thing as you, but if you're right, then you're definitely closer.
All right, here's the answer. Justine can walk us
Dun,
through.
da, 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 da. Oh, we're not good at this.
What are you talking about?
It's Australia.
What?
It's called Lamington cake. It's a white sponge cake dipped in dark chocolate and rolled in coconut flakes. There is some debate on whether the cake was invented in New Zealand or Australia. It's rumored that this cake was invented by accidentally dropping sponge cake in chocolate and to solve the problem, rolled it in coconut to keep the fingers clean.
Wow. I was totally off. I just went tropical all the way. All right, Mike is measuring right now. Let the record show, Justine is 16 inches away and I am
24 and a half.
24 and a half. All right, now are you ready for our next cake?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. What in the world is this?
This is so cool.
This
Look
looks
at it.
like an implant.
This has to be from Japan.
I was gonna, yeah,
This has
for
to
sure.
be, right?
This is definitely.
I almost picked this dart up and started eating with this dart. I'm so excited. I'm not even thank you. Oh my gosh.
Do we mix it together?
I don't know. What is it?
I'm getting hair in my mouth. Yeah,
Let's take it off. Let's take it off.
Oh my gosh, freedom.
Here, I'll be both. I'll be both
No,
people.
don't do it.
I'll wear it just as a
There you go. Oh,
scarf.
that's cute, actually.
Be a
That
bib,
is cute.
really, for me.
Wow.
A bib.
Let's cut into it. Let's do a little surgery here.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Ooh.
very, it's like a little gel. Is this
Yeah, like
call
jello,
this
kind of
cake?
a gelatin. Maybe it's a jelly cake, a drop cake, gel drop cake. And the powder, does it taste nutty to you, like peanutty? A peanut powder, a peanut.
It tastes like wood shavings.
Well, it's not sweet. It tastes very healthy. Tastes like you're eating bark off a tree with a slight nuttiness. This tastes like a nut powder, and this really has not any flavor. It it just tastes like nothing, like water. Maybe you have to mix it.
Maybe. I think the problem.
Are you supposed to mix? Oh, you know, we probably mix it all together. That's
I don't think so. That doesn't look so
probably
good.
what you're supposed to do here.
No, I don't think so.
I've just.
We are offending everyone right now. I'm so sorry. I don't know. This is.
I don't know.
This is ignorance.
And I am a baker. Okay, let's try that once it's all mixed up, like a soup.
Actually, it was better.
Well, all I was gonna say is this is like eating air. So the calories wise, this is probably 1 calorie.
Oh, I feel fit.
Okay, so I'm gonna guess that's from Japan.
Same.
It tastes healthy. It looked.
It kind of felt refreshing.
Unique. Yeah.
Yeah, except for the dust that I inhaled. We could have done without that. All right,
Justine,
Japan.
you go first.
Okay.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, we're in an ocean. Okay, sassy.
Oh, we're like,
Shoot.
we're very even.
We're both lost at sea. You're in the North Pacific Ocean. I'm in the Indian Ocean. No, I'm in the North Pacific as well.
Well, let's find out where it's from. We're right!
Okay, we got one.
So this is a raindrop cake or a mizu shingen mochi. It's made of, what's agar?
Oh, right on.
And it's served with brown sugar syrup and roasted soy powder. Okay, that's why it wasn't sweet.
Roasted soy powder. It tasted nutty to me.
Yeah.
Interesting.
It's a creative twist on shingen mochi, which is a sweet mochi cake that contains roasted soy powder and brown sugar syrup. It became a huge sensation, marketed as water you can eat.
What?
You said that.
We literally called it.
Oh.
I am 4.5 inches and Justine is 5.5 inches. All right, now, are you ready for your next
Oh my gosh, yes.
cake, which I hope is a cake?
Oh, look at, we're finally into like a cake that I can get behind.
This is cute. This beard has become now one of those little like cute.
A little bonnet?
Yeah, or something, like a little cute headband or whatever, scarf.
Let's take a smell.
Okay.
It smells very nice.
It's very light, very sweet. And this is an interesting style because it's naked kind of on the sides. Oh my God, I almost lost my hand. But yeah, it's naked on the sides, but then we're totally iced on the top. And is this the thickest layer you've ever seen in your life? Look how thick that is.
This looks like a little carrot cake, kind of.
Wait, okay, deceiving, because on the side, look how big that layer looks. And then when you really look into it, oh, whew, we're normal there. Now I'm just more confused. Let me see. That's a carrot cake with a cream cheese icing. That's what that is.
It's so good. I don't know where carrot cake is from.
It has to be from the US. This is a carrot cake. This is so American. It's so sweet, so spicy. That's American.
But did carrot cake, is it from here though?
Yeah, definitely. This
All
little
right.
dart is headed for the US of A. Let's do it. Do it.
That's not anywhere near where I was aiming for.
You almost hit the compass.
Oh, you're so close.
I'm just in Canada.
But you're very close to the US. What do we have a can for? Oh my gosh, it's a tomato soup cake. And this is from America. Obviously. It is a spiced cake with an orange hue that tastes reminiscent of a carrot cake or spice cake. Okay, yeah, well, I'll keep that.
Reminiscent, it tastes
It
like a
contains
carrot cake.
a whole can of condensed tomato soup. The recipe originated in the 1940s and 50s by Campbell Soup Company. Okay, we have a little sus here. They're trying to get you to buy tomato soup. They created many baked goods cookbooks using a can of condensed tomato soup in the recipe. This one gained wide popularity at the time, and it is still made today. I'm shook.
Shocked.
This is a rip-off carrot cake, but it was really good.
It tastes
so I'm not mad about it.
just like a carrot cake.
Yeah.
I didn't know that you could use a can of Campbell's tomato soup to make a cake that tastes like a carrot cake. I was 1 inch away. Justine was 7 inches away. Let the scoreboard show that, and we're ready for our next cake.
I don't know how to feel. I feel deceived. I feel
fooled.
lied to. I feel
feel-
gaslit. I'm gonna need therapy.
I've been tricked. I've been boozled.
I feel hurt. What is this? What's the grimace? Is this a grimace cake?
Okay, let's taste this thing.
Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Usually desserts, that are purple, I always think of ube. I've never
Okay.
had an ube cake that's this bright.
It's so purple.
This is very purple. Wow, this is extremely purple. What'd you say, a grimace cake?
Yeah.
What's grimace?
Okay, this cake is actually really good. I think this might be my favorite. But more importantly, where's the Philippines at? I think,
I don't know.
honestly, it doesn't really matter because I'm not gonna be able to hit it anyway.
I have not hit one
So,
target.
I'm just gonna,
Just guess.
oh, I hit India.
You hit India.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Well, screw it. I don't know what I
Doesn't
just
matter.
hit.
All
I
right.
don't know what, I just went dead center.
Ooh, okay, ube cake made with ube halaya. Is that how you spell it?
Yeah.
Halaya. How do you pronounce that? Halaya. Ube halaya. It's a purple yam-based chiffon cake made with ube, sweetened condensed milk, and coconut milk frosting.
Yum.
Ube is a sweet purple yam native to the Philippines that has been a staple in
Delicious.
Filipino cuisine for over 400 years.
Guys, it's like a sweet potato, but it has a nuttiness to it. So I'm telling you, the only thing that would perfect this cake more is if you put jam filling, like a
Oh,
strawberry
yes.
jam or a raspberry jam, because it complements the nuttiness. So it's like peanut butter and jelly. It is so good. Justine is 7 inches away and I am 14 and a half.
Okay.
That wasn't a great
That was
round.
not the best.
But you know what? We knew it was ube.
Oh my goodness! This cake has hair.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, I have never seen a cake like this.
It smells incredible. I'm salivating.
Oh, that smells so good.
What the heck?
I'm in love. Oh.
But why does it have hair?
Are those noodles?
I don't know.
This is a hairy noodle cake. I have never seen this, Justine. I really, but
Oh, sorry.
it has 2 layers. Hair on the top and the bottom, and then there's
Hair everywhere.
Let me just taste these.
I'm trying to get a nice mix of everything.
Oh
to
my
like,
gosh, they're so sweet. What are these? Oh my god. This is so weird and awesome.
It's so strange.
Oh my gosh, if you do the noodles and oh, is this pistachio? Like, this is what's up.
I don't hate it.
I
I've never had anything like this. It's
Me
so
neither.
confusing. It's so confusing to me.
don't know who made this, where it's from. We've been told it's not on the map.
I'm gonna go with China just because I know where that is, but that doesn't matter because am I gonna be able to hit it?
Okay,
I think that's
maybe Cambodia?
still China.
You said China and you hit China. That's pretty impressive. I'm gonna try
That
here.
wasn't the part of China I was aiming for.
Come on. Shit, I hit Russia.
Well, Russia's big.
God, that was not what I was intending, guys. That was not at all. Turkey! Kadayif cake. It contains shredded phyllo dough filled with ashta cream, which is clotted cream soaked with syrup. Oh, and it's so sweet. This is a classic Turkish dessert that has been popular for over 1,000 years.
I'm gonna send a picture to my Turkish friend and see
You
what he
need to
thinks.
do that. Here, let me take the knife out.
There we go. This was good. It's so
is
strange to
amazing.
me. I mean, just because this is clearly not something that I've ever had before. I asked my friend from Turkey, we're gonna see, I asked him if he's ever had this before, so we'll see.
Okay, so 12 inches away, 4 inches away. All right.
Well, I hit China. What I was aiming
Yeah,
for.
you did. Yeah, and I hit Russia. I didn't mean to hit that either. So, oopsie doops. Okay,
That
next
was
cake.
quite enjoyable.
Next cake.
Whoa!
I think I know what cake this is.
Should we cut into it? Maybe it'll spark a memory?
Please do.
So you said you've had this before.
Good friends of ours went to their son's first birthday, and they live in Ireland,
Okay.
but his wife is from, and they serve, this is it. Oh, and I'm kicking myself. Oh my gosh, why can I not remember this? I'm having a brain fart. Okay, I'm gonna say Swedish. Oh
This looks so good. Like,
I've had this and it's delicious.
Okay.
A nice fluffy on the top. It's almost like a whipped cream, very light. And then in the layers, look at that. It's a little jam, little like custard, like that. Oh my gosh.
this is very good. That was fantastic.
It's so light.
It's light,
Light.
airy,
Oh.
sweet, lots
It's
of cream.
Oh, I love this. You know, I just want more jam.
That was incredible.
I think the cake is from Sweden.
Okay, I was gonna say
think.
Norway.
Okay, you guys, this is the final cake and the score is close. I had no idea
I
that it
didn't
was
either.
this close. Our team's tallying up the scores and they said that Justine is at 47.5 and I am at 48.5. We are truly neck and neck.
It all
girls,
comes down to this.
this dart.
And so if I'm saying Norway and you're saying Sweden, either way, we are aiming for the same general area.
Yeah.
That means nothing.
Okay, Justine, you go first. This
Okay.
is it, you guys. That was so close.
Oh, we're
that's-
close. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, this is it. This is it. Come on. Come on. Maybe it'll
don't
be a
wanna
little
look. I'm not gonna look.
attention.
She freaking hit it. You are in it. Like you can't be any closer.
I'm in there.
Okay, well let's see where. Wait, we gotta figure out where the cake is from.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Apparently, I just need high stakes situations and I do better. If it's low stakes, I'm asleep. You gotta put a high stakes and I'm in. What? Your face? Oh no. What? Okay.
It's from Norway. Just kidding. It's Sweden. Yes. It's called a princess cake or a princess torta. It's made of a sponge cake, pastry, cream, raspberry jam, and marzipan, and it's originated in the kitchens of the Swedish royal household. Wow. Okay, but like I'm pretty close to it.
You're really close.
We freaking tied! How is that even tied?
This is crazy.
The absolute odds of that happening are so exponential.
I don't even know what to say.
The variables. There are so many variables in this. I cannot believe it.
We did not rig this. We did not stage this. This is not fight night. We literally, I don't know what
No,
just
you
happened.
didn't pay me $20 million to throw the match.
No. You guys, please go check out the podcast. It's called Ridiculous, and Justine was a guest, and we had so much fun. We talked about all the things, so many things, and a little bit of tea. There's a little tea in there, because, you know, with me, there's always just a little bit. Go show Justine some love. Go check out the podcast. I'll put a link down below. That just came out as well. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.
Bye.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Either.
Wherever you want.